Kick back this Christmas season with our cozy homeway essentials, from stylish lounge suites to quality sleep support. You'll find unbeatable deals on these home updates in our latest catalog until 26 December 2025. Don't miss out on the biggest savings of the season. Shop online or in-store at OK Furniture. While stocks last, T's and C's apply. It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. Pino wathetha ke umadala. Into yakhe ke le uyathetha umadala. Umadala abantu basoloko bekhala ngaye. Hugo Bros, a few things said about Umbekezeli Mbokazi and his agent. Got people talking. The political party UDM, the United Democratic Movement, led by the General Ubantu Holomisa, they submitted a complaint to the South African Human Rights Commission because the statements made by Hugo Bros, the Bafana Bafana coach, have gender and racial connotations as well. Hugo Bros qualified Bafana Bafana to the African Cup of Nations, which is playing in a few weeks' time. He also qualified Bafana Bafana for the FIFA World Cup, which is playing in North America in 6 months' time. Now, historically, in South Africa, in 1998, South Africa played their first ever World Cup. The coach who qualified South Africa for the World Cup was Clive Barker, but the coach who coached at the World Cup was a man by the name of Philippe Trouzier, who was French. In 2002, a Mozambican man, respected, who's of Portuguese descent, Carlos Queiroz, qualified Bafana Bafana for the Korea and Japan World Cup. However, at the World Cup, South Africa were coached by Dr. Jomo Sono. So I say all of this historically to say to you that don't be surprised for when Bafana Bafana takes a different coach at the World Cup who's not the one who qualified. I'm not saying that that's going to happen, of course. I'm just saying that if the coach constantly invites pressure on himself by saying things against Chiefs fans, by saying things about Chiefs players, by saying things about his own players, Abombogazi, and the agents, and then there's now political pressure, don't be surprised that it all culminates into a coach that's not there. We've played at 3 World Cups before. 2 of those, the first 2, we went with coaches who did not play qualifiers. In 2006 at the African Cup of Nations, which was our West AFCON, we did not have the coach who qualified. We had an interim coach in Coach Ted Dimitri. So in our history, we've done that before. I'm not saying that he must be fired or not fired. In fact, I'm not even saying anything. Basically, I'm just telling you what happened before. Bobzit, it's your job to tell us what you think. Thank you very much for joining us. When you saw those statements, what was your thinking?
Yeah, Mr. Nkoyithi ngicela ngibulise namachita.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Yeah, uma ngibona le statement esikhiphe uMadala Mr. Nkewu. Kungitshele something ukuthi uHugo Bros mina nginokuthi makhuluma ngimlalele, ngisinikeza isikhathi. Akaqala ukubehave the way behave ngakhona. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi age yaka Hugo Bros la khona kule age akuyo yilabantu abakwazi ukukhuluma ukuthi into spade uyibiza ngespade akajika ukuthi ufuna ukushuka code or enzeni nini yonke lento mayibona uyayikhuluma nakoloka sometimes kuye kumakho umuntu sometimes kuye kumkhawadi nkuleko into engifuna ukuyisho singazihlanganisi lezi zinto asikhulumile zi divided nkuleko uma ungabheka lapha kune racist kulento ecede ukuyikhuluma ngendlela mina ngithi ngianalyze ngakhona uMadala ngibheke kunala khona ngizwa akhuluma ngeagent yakambokazi
kusho ukukhuluma ngentombazana
you understand ukuthi inhlonipho ayizange ibe khona kule agenda you understand then kuphinde kube ne discipline which is indaba yakambokazi ukufika late ku national team kunala right khona Mr. uHugo Bros kepha kunala ngithi mangithi ngiyayibheka amagama wakhe akazange wabeke ngendlela right ukukhuluma ngeagent yakambokazi just say the agent yakambokazi ke but mase uyokhuluma lamagama ngokuthi uyamdelela isounda ngenye indlela you understand nkuleko so mina ngicabanga ukuthi kumele sibheke kahle because ukufika ngicale nje kule yakambokazi ukufika late kwakambokazi it's unacceptable nkuleko lokho angifuni ukukutshela manga ukuthi kunama reason lento ucala ukuyenza naku Jaden Adams uma ukukhumbula kahle
he left his passport in Cape Town
he
had to go and get the passport and then come back.
Yeah, I understand. But ngithe umuntu ngiyayibheka ku Jaden beka ne backup nkuleko that's why manje abantu bathi why angamhambisi kumbekezeli siyamdinga umbekezeli ku national team siyodlala iAfcon. Yes, masikhuluma ngediscipline. If ama case ayafana, uzofuna ukuthi abantu baba discipline ngokufana, but mina ngombheko uMadala uSmart ubhekile kuJayden ukuthi unabadlali abafana nabo Sithole nabo Mkwena nabadlali abafana nabo Obasi.
He was not a starter in the position.
He was not exactly Nkuleko. Now unomdlali ofana noMbokazi, he's a starter ku national team. You can't let uMbokazi ahambe kunendlela ukuthi kumele umdiscipline ngayo.
So njengoba I'm disciplined about it, I get your point,
Yeah.
and I love the fact that uyihlukanisile ukuthi uyabona wrong.
Yeah.
So that means there's no bias there. You can see that he is wrong in the racial
Yeah.
and the sexist part of
Yeah.
it. Njengoba ukhuluma ngokuthi he needs uMbokazi. That's true as well. Now, how are you going to motivate a player if you're going to throw him under the bus like that? So Uyamdinga, he's one of your best performers. AFCON, Uyamdinga, you're going to play him in the starting 11 uzoqala. But njengoba umkhuluma kanje nje ukuthi what do you want in Chicago? Funani in Chicago izomnceda ngani Chicago. So which part of that is the building of a player? Because you can speak to someone, you can reprimand them behind closed doors. Ukuthi endoda angeke silinde wena la. You can say it. You can even me, like I've learned to lead people that way. That calm down. We are at work here, and then I'm done. I never go overboard when I'm leading people. Because I know that next week the guy will be better. You don't have to, but to go publicly, what part of building is that? I get it ukuthi sometimes you deal with different individuals differently. Mhlambe bekafuna nje ukuthi to show ukuthi I'm not scared of you, I can do this. Get your mind right, but you can destroy someone else as well.
Yeah, uqinisile Nkuleko. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi uMadala lento azayikhulume lapha ukuthi wayikhuluma before. So namanje ufuna ukudila ngayo ngalendlela le adile ngayo before, because if manje azothi ngifuna ukuyibarricade manje ngifuna ukuthi sidile ngayo la ngayikhulumi.
Sure.
Ngabuzwa ukuthi why lo kwenzeka so, ngasho so ku media. Kulo why ngayisho lento le. So that's why ngithi kade yenza lento. So manje umehluko ukuthini ukuthi kuJayden uyenzile then wahamba. It's fine umdile.
And it was still wrong.
Yeah, understand.
The way he dealt
But
with it.
now lo unaye ku camp yakho. And kumele ukuthi umsebenzise lo emdlali. So yila khona kumele ukuthi asebenze yena uHugo Broos njengamanje.
Yeah, because you have to build that confidence.
Kumele manje build that confidence. Umchithile manje.
Umchithile, you have to rebuild him now.
Lelo liqiniso because siyamdinga akadingi huye kuphela. Simdinga siyikhantri Nkuleko
100%.
because uMbokazi ku national team udlala indima enkulu. If ngiyakutshela Nkuleko, if bekana replacement yakambokazi bekumele amhambisile njengoJayden.
Yeah.
If bekanayo nayo uyabona ukuthi akanayo, that is why adila ngayo ngalendlela adila ngayo ngakhona. So ngiyasho ukuthi maybe okunye kuye kwamfrustrate maybe ukuthi ureportelwa mhlawumbe umqeqeshi Orlando Pirates mhlawumbe uzibuza lokho uHugo Broos ukuthi wayengafonelwa mina uMbokazi owafonele assistant yami uHelman Mkhelele ufonele uRonza. Tell uRonza nginenkinga la ngicela utshele ucoach ngiyasaba ukuface ucoach mhlawumbe ngikhulume naye.
Yakhumbula babzethu ukuthi bekune final last week.
Yeah.
Last weekend.
Yes.
And bamcelile iPirates ibhakanele limcelile ukuthi adlale umjeti.
Yes.
Now, if you go to America and have to come back to South Africa, surely one way in the booking of the tickets, it's too small of a period. It's too small of a period that I know it's doable. You have to find the flights. It's doable, but it's too small of a period unless bebacele kubona ibafana bafana ku Chicago ukuthi no, he's not going to go to you. And then come back. He's going to stay with us here because we have an AFCON in 2 weeks. Then he will go to you. I don't know if that conversation was had behind closed doors, but I'm looking at it from Indaba Yomfana, from his perspective that it's going to be very difficult to play a final. And that final he had to enjoy next day.
Yes.
Tonight we're playing a final. People drink, some of them. Those who drink. You deserve it because you won a final. You celebrated on Sunday. When did he go to America and when was he expected to come back to South Africa? You have to go to another country, come back again. And it's very difficult. Whenever you go to America, I don't think there's direct flying. You have to connect and eventually get there. And then when you come back to South Africa, the same thing as well. I think there's a lack of empathy there. And I think you made a very good point when you say, with age comes this. Because I think even Nagutaima, David, we are starting to hear things. And I think that, yes, there's frustration in Black Leopards and what he's experiencing when National First Division. But maybe when he was 50-something, he would not have said these things. And when we're dealing with 75-year-old men, abadala, they know that that I don't have time to keep these things. But you have to always think that this player had to go to America. In 3 days, I wanted him back. How reasonable is that expectation?
Yeah, yena Nkuleko njengoba sisho bekumele ayidile ngayo ngendlela right because labadlali ngikhuluma ngabadlali azi ukuthi vele uzoba nabo e camp.
Yeah.
Bekumele ayilungise lento ukuthi i-confidence kubadlali ibe khona especially manje angeke affect umbekezeli kuphela manje right now njengoba sikhuluma kunabadlali mhlawumbe abaclose nombekezeli la khona ezinye zezinto bazothi mabazikhuluma sigcina nabo sezibabamba you understand because I know ukuthi bayakhuluma okunye sikwazi abakukhulumayo uYuko Bros
And some of them are going to be late as well. Not just now. They are here now for your AFCON. But as we get closer to your World Cup, some of them are going to be late. Not because they want to, but you are in a different country. You have to take 2 flights to come to South Africa. And sometimes eventually you're going to be late. Because the SAFA, I don't think it's the most professional that it will make sure that your tickets are there on time all the time. Yeah.
But enye into ngule yazi ngifikelwa ngenye into ngiyacabanga ukuthi na iSAFA ngayiblame kancane mina. Kule uma kwenzeka izinto esifana nalezi uma babona they understand ukuthi i-country abalandeli bebhola base South Africa abanjani sibuya ku-apartheid la South Africa
Sure.
When you say something mhlambe ezifaka black and white sikhulunywa umuntu omhlophe isound ngathi mhlambe i-racist
For sure.
bona bekumele lento bayi-attende quick bahlala phansi bazama ukuthi bayilungise ukuthi Hugo Bros sicela just to apologize kuloko kukhuluma.
Unfortunately, Babazo respond as Khulumile because unfortunately you don't know what someone is going to say. I agree with you. Ukuthi Maseka Khulumile, then you can say just apologize immediately.
Simple.
But SAFA cannot know ukuthi lo mdala lo uzothini.
No, uma ceda ukukhuluma kuleko before kungenela ama political party manje and uthola ukuthi akusi UDM kuphela kuzoza enye futhi
Yeah.
ifika ithi kanjani nathi siyangena kulento le kanjani you understand ukuthi banjani and ngibona ngathi yosdisturba kuma preparation weAFCON lento izosdisturba kakhulu so why
That's the outcome.
iSAFA yona ingaze fast inkuleko siyenza lento siyabona ukuthi okay la umadala ukhulume kabi asidile ngalento madala noma lento ungayimini sicela apologize ku country apologize umadala then na iSAFA apologize on behalf of Hugo Bros
And they focus on the AFCON.
focus on AFCON but now the way sicala ngakhona kusho kona ukuthi angeke ube isimanga ubone njengoba usho singabi naye ku World Cup
Yeah,
because
it wouldn't
umadala
surprise me.
ubonakala arrogant.
The only reason why he would stay there is because Dr. Danny Jordan wants him to stay there. Otherwise, if Dr. Danny Jordan had maybe issues with him in the first place to be there, but because I think that they are very big allies, Bobai too, and Bazintanga foot, they're in their 70s, so they kind of understand each other. If that president of SAFA did not want him there, he would already. This would be the stick they beat him with. Lana, it's racial. They would make it a bigger issue because with Sheikh Mashaba was a very brilliant coach for Bafana Bafana.
Yeah.
He was a very brilliant coach for Bafana Bafana. And it took one moment of him saying one thing, and Dr. Tony Jordan inside the stadium said, it's gross misconduct, the way you speak to me as the president of SAFA. We saw it inside the stadium, and they got rid of him. But let's wrap it up because we want to talk about how far Bafana Bafana can go with the AFCON. Do you think this will just be swept under the carpet and then we'll play the AFCON, or do you think there's bigger consequences?
Nkuleko as long as izofaka ama political party izosinikeza inkingi. Ngiyakutshela uma ngabe vele bazoyeka the way bayeka ngakhona sekungenelele indaba zamakhoti ukuthi ubani uthizeni ngama racist izosinikeza iproblem. Ngicabanga ukuthi bekumele bayilungise njengoba sisho bayilungise fast lento le uYugo Bros axolise la kumele axolise khona noma ngayimini lento then siqhubekele phambili because njengoba usho mention uSheikh Mashaba you remember ukuthi beyingaqala ePulukwane icala le team ya 2002 lebe yodlala iWorld Cup
even before that,
khumbula ukuthi bekudlala ama friendly wadlala neJamaica kunabadlali ababiza abangezi base Orkant then
And he played
umadlala
local
neEngland
players.
wafuna ukudlala ngalama local adlale ngawo ngeJamaica bathi no angeke usitshele iSAFA yathi no abadlali kumele bafike bazoprepare for iWorld Cup kwaba nenkinga so uyabona ukuthi izinto esifana nalezo kumele ukuthi kulungiswe before siyabona amazwe amaningi abane problem last week bosasho la kunamazwe amaningi lasidlale nawo kuWorld Cup basuke baba nenkinga namanje yaqala inkinga and kuzoba nama excuse uma ngabe mhlambe asidlali kahle kuAFCON mina ngicabanga ukuthi abayilungisi iSAFA izama ukulungisa lento le babona ukuthi bayisolve kanjani kuleko sifocus ku national team kuAFCON.
All right. Do we look like a semi-finalist again? Just talking about AFCON now. Last time we were in the semi-finals, we drew a lot of games going to those semi-finals. The plan was to take Nigeria to the penalties. We did that, and we lost on penalties. Against the Cape Verde as well, we went to penalties. We won on those penalties. Against the Congo, with 3rd and 4th place, we went to penalties. We won on those penalties. That's how we got the bronze. Bafana at that time, being alumi, we didn't have a bite. There was Mahopa, there was Pesitao, the favorites that they were using up front, and I think Tabelo Maseko would help, but they were asking their attackers to defend a lot at the last AFCON. Now, in the last 2 years since that AFCON, we've seen the emergence of Abo Nkota. We see Abo Apolis players who can attack and create things, and Abo Mbule in the midfield. We're starting to attack more. Even Ikram Reinas, I loved him when he was there, that he was a good finisher. Notijo Maswanganyi, when he was there, when he was given a chance, he was creating opportunities. We started to score, not rely on draws. Does that mean that we are now a team capable of winning? What is your hope and what is your expectation?
Yeah, Gulego, I remember very well. We were here last week. I mean, sikhuluma into efana nale iBafana Bafana.
Sure.
Gulego, ngisamela kuBafana Bafana ukuthi ngibone iBafana Bafana ibuyela kuma semi-finals. As long as sibona le team anayo. Remember ukuthi masiyothola le bronze. Kunabadlali abaningi bebuya kuma Mamelodi Sundowns. Yasisebenzela lento leyo. Angeke sikubalekele lokho. Namanje ukuba khona kwabadlali beOrlando Pirates, while Orlando Pirates sibona idlala kahle kakhulu, it's something lengibona ngathi ma results sizobuya nawo because amazwe amaningi ezidlala nawo la eAfrica ngebhola siyawahlula Nkuleko. Yes, badlali babo badlala iOrkant, but khumbula ukuthi kusafuna kube khona nama combination ekumele bawahlanganise isikhathi sincane, but thina the way singakhona lama team asuka dlala buma CAF Champions League basuka badlala mhlawumbe lama competition confed nani ngiyacabanga ukuthi we are ready Nkuleko to go and face lama team esodlala nawo. Ngiyacabanga ku-AFCON sisazodlala kahle Nkuleko, ngizibona sifika kuma semi-finals this season. Makungabi nento ezizongenelela kuleya national team zimoshe leya team, i-dressing room yakho madala kumele ukuthi ibe njengoba benjalo. You remember everyone like kulesa sikhathi badlali beba happy man, bawubona noma cetha ukudlala ukuthi badlali namanje ngiyabona lento lapha kuBafana Bafana angakajiki Nkuleko, ngisaselapha ekutheni iBafana Bafana ngiyibona ifika kuma semi-finals yale AFCON.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much, Bobzit. That's Bafana Bafana at the African Cup of Nations. We'll bring you those games as and when they happen. We'll come back on Tuesday now for the Bafana Bafana friendly, which is the last game they play at 4 p.m. Tuesday at the Dobsonville Stadium. They'll play the last game before the African Cup of Nations. One thing that Bobzit I agree with is a part of the combination. We've really beat those teams in terms of combination play and also playing football, because I think almost every African nation somehow they're caught up in just playing football matches but not playing actual football. They want to win 1-0, 2-1 without knowing how they won, without combining. And we are in a much better place in terms of that. We'll see if we can get to the semi-finals. Maybe that will be a very positive outcome. It is TV, it is Times, we're suspecting.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami Lindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Diski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niazi bafowethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Diski TV.